model, 68 plate Ford Transit Custom Euro 6 needs head gasket repair, still runs No Vat. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 116,668. MOT, the 16th of January 2026. Engine, 1996 cc 2.0 TDCI 105 PS. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, takes a few more cranks to start than average, runs great. Head gasket needs replacing, coolant is pressurizing. Straightforward head gasket replacement job. Grin takes a while to start, needed easy start when running, the creamy oil is shooting out dipstick and it swallowed all the coolant. Suspect head gasket has gone. This has started to be stripped for a head removal and they stopped, but it does still run. All parts are in van, nothing missing. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after.